Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty above 14,650. So for now, if it sustain above 14,500 to 650, then most likely it move for uptrend till 14,800 to 15,200. Otherwise, below 14,500 it will comes down for 14,000 to 14,200 for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. So for now, Nifty comes above 14,400, 450 to 650 zone. As per chart formation, most likely Nifty sustain and enter in between 14,800 to 15,200 zone with support of 14,650. Otherwise, below 14,500, it will try to enter in between 14,000 to 14,350 reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 34,500 after reverse from correction. So for now, above 33,800 to 34,200, it will try to move for 35,500 to 36,000. Otherwise, below 33,800, it will reverse from 32,000 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty above 34,500. So for now, with support of 33,500 to 34,200, Bank Nifty most likely try for 35,500 to 36,000. Otherwise, below 33,500, it will comes down till 32,000 for reverse. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,200. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's our 14,965 and 15,129. Same as there is a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 14,465. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's our 14,600 and 14,500. There is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also, that 35,729. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's our 35,272 and 35,500. There is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 33,800. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's our 34,350 and 34,000. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Axis Bank, that LTP is 733. Its upper range is 800 and lower range is 700. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 725 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance or higher resistance, that 800. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 725 with increases volume, then most likely it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 700. And when it reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Axis Bank, that LTP is 733. Bajaj Finance, that LTP is 5,245. Bosch Limited, that LTP is 16,551. BPCL, that LTP is 414. Tata Steel, that LTP is 641. Dabur, that LTP is 524. Asian Paints, that LTP is 2,453. Dr. Reddy, that LTP is 649. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1574. HDFC Life, that LTP is 689. And Reliance, that LTP is 1930. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. Or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer. Thank you very much.